Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Varo bank account. First, open the Varo bank app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and passcode. Once you are in the home screen, tap on the menu icon or go to your profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Now look for the personal information or contact information. Tap on it. It will open your details. Now find the section that shows your phone number. Tap edit or change next to the phone number. After entering the new phone number, tap next or continue. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Into the app to confirm your new phone number. Once the code is verified, your phone number will be updated successfully. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.